This is your chance to literally live within the clouds here in Vancouver and have some of the most dynamic and impressive views the whole entire city has. This penthouse unit that I'm going to be touring you through is listed for $6.288 million, and it has features that you're going to want to stay through for this entire session here of the tour. Not only do you have 2 elevator lobbies that open up right into your unit just back here, but you have a secondary elevator that opens up to the private patio upstairs. Over 2,000 square feet where you can take in views of the Burrard Inlet, the marina, Stanley Park, the cityscape itself, and it has a pool of its own, which is absolutely insane. So come with me as we tour this absolutely insane apartment. We're going to start off here in the kitchen of this 3-bed, 4-bath unit that's just over 2,600 square feet. This building was built in 2002, but has been completely updated and renovated just so that you have all the features and the luxuries of a modern home here. And what I love about this property here, and it's a little bit hard because we are socked in, but there's just windows everywhere. The ceiling height here is 10'9", and what they've done a good job is making sure that your eyes always face out to the view. Just right there, I see the marina, all the yachts that are parked, and you are actually a little bit higher than some of the surrounding buildings here, so you can see over it. What I like, as I mentioned, are these size dynamics. Right here, this island has seating for 5 and is 20 feet long. So as I walk you over here, just so that you can get a glimpse of what this unit has, you have a perfect space here for entertaining, and obviously because it is a 20-foot long island, you have a copious amount of storage space, which is really important whether you're a family, entertaining, anything like that. You have a Miele induction stove top here and a Miele appliance package here. You have the nice integrated cabinetry when it comes to the unit with the beautiful French doors, the white cabinetry. And like I said, I love when they build out kitchens and the cabinetry goes all the way to the top just to utilize that space. You have your Miele espresso machine, your stove, heating space here, and then your sink with the nice hexagonal tile here as well. You also have throughout the unit is white oak flooring, which they've done a really good job in going with the contour of the build. I think sometimes when people are moving forward and putting installation of floors in a unit, you need to have the orientation of the flooring, and when it goes the length of a unit, it makes it seem so much more longer and more spacious because of that here as well. As you transition from the island, you do have this beautiful sitting area here, so you do have the ability to still have a nice sit down spot for your family and your friends. And what I love about this unit is just how many windows there are and how many corners there are, so you can take in multiple viewpoints of the city, and there's just a ton of patios. There's patios at every single corner here. So you have a small little one here that completely opens up. Like I said, we're a little bit socked in right now, but just in behind me is the marina. You have another patio in behind me here as well. So as we go through here, the sun is starting to peek out here, but here's another nice viewpoint in behind me, just so you know, is right there. That's where the water is. That's where all the boats are. And you can see it's another nice sized patio here. And as we walk forward into the city, you get these really nice cityscape views here as well. So you definitely get a good mix of the dynamic water views, the mountain views, the city views, anything that you want, you have it here in this corridor. And I really want to show you how much of an impact this island has on the property itself. So as we make our way down here, and I want to show you exactly how this home opens up, because this is what is really the wow factor here. So as you make your way down here on the island, the unit just completely opens up. 10'9" ceilings, all of these windows, amazing space. You have this nice sitting area here where you have more than enough space to put in your nice loungewear. Right in behind me here with the white oak millwork, space for your TV so you can put on the game, put on some Netflix, take in the views here. And even though this home is extremely open with the open concept layout here, it does still have these nice sections which are very divided in terms of where you're going to want to have your home. I know that sometimes these big homes can feel so cavernous. Here there is an area, no matter where you're at, that totally makes sense with the design of this home. And it's all completely paired with the windows and the views in mind. You have a nice little nook here, and there's so much space for you. No matter what you really have here, you have all the options at your fingertips. You have 2 bedrooms on this wing and then 1 bedroom on that other wing. So whether you're needing space for an office or guests, it has that nice separation. We're going to get in here into the primary. And like I said, all the bedrooms are based around these corners. So you have a ton of windows. And then as we move around the corner here, you have your walk-in closet space as well as your bathroom. You have a beautiful stand-up shower here with the hexagonal tile, the nice inlays for your shampoo, a double vanity for your sink needs as well. Out of the primary, we're going to head to the secondary bedroom. Also, a copious amount of closets all throughout the unit. Also has its separate private storage locker on this floor as well. So we're in the secondary bedroom here, another closet off the bat. You have your own ensuite. And then as we make our way into the space itself, as I mentioned, another corner viewpoint here. So you're being able to get in all of these views and then more than enough space here to also get in a king size bed, night tables, all of those things that you need as well. You have these nice frosted glass doors. This is your front door area here. You're the only unit because this is the penthouse. And then you have 2 elevator doors that go directly into your unit. And like I said, this is also your private storage space here. So you have a nice room that's full ceiling height that you have for storage. You have your emergency exit doors here, but this is what your entryway looks like when you come into the unit itself. All right, we have made it to the top here, but I just want to do a little bit of a walkthrough. You can see the pool is just right up here. It's a massive, massive, massive amount of space here. And if you're looking for orientation, right behind me here, this is north, okay? So all in behind me here is gonna be Stanley Park, the Burrard Inlet, and then you have those exposures of the south from in behind me here. So this is gonna have a lot of sun here in the summertime, in the springtime when it's out. There's so much room here for you to be able to entertain, get the pool up and running. With the pool set up here, obviously it's important for your guests to have a bathroom so they don't have to go into your home. So in behind this door, you also have a bathroom so you can shower, you can get ready and do all that fun stuff up here when you are entertaining.